Hello guys, good morning. It is raining outside. I cannot go out of my house. That's why I am laying on my bed, as you can see. So I want to visit somewhere because I want to shoot vlog videos, but I can't go in this rain. It is raining outside. No problem. Okay, and now I am speaking English in front of camera because I am practicing right now. Okay, so to learn anything we don't need to learn before, just you start that, automatically you will learn that if you want to learn anything. Okay, this is very simple process. If we want to learn anything, just we need to start that automatically. While doing that, we will know how to do that. Okay, so it doesn't matter like this, we will become fluently speaker. Yes, yes, no problem. So I want to conversation with someone, but I have no one. Means I have no friends who can speak English with me. Okay, so that's why I should speaking English videos myself in front of camera. So if I make any mistakes, so please forgive me. We know that mistaking is a part of learning, and we have much time. And if we use the time, so definitely one day we'll become a fluency speaker, and we can easily, means we will be able to speak English properly. There is nothing to worry, and whatever we know, that is enough to speak English. Okay, for our daily life. And we know all the structures, we know all the sentences, words, all thing we know, but we don't use. That's why our believing system, means our belief system believes this, that you don't know, but you know everything. If you try to use that, if you try to make the sentence what you need to say, if you try to make, so definitely you can try, so definitely you can make the sentence. No problem, easily you can make if you practice regularly. So then I know, means we know that we are afraid to make any sentences and to speak English. Why? Because we are scared of making mistakes. So it doesn't matter, we make mistakes or correct, no problem. Just we need to start that, and definitely one day we can avoid our mistakes. No problem. Okay, so no problem. So please help each other, and no problem, we will help one another, and we will go ahead. Okay, so if you have any questions, so you may comment, no problem, and we'll discuss on that topic. Okay, so thanks for watching. Okay, happy learning.